Good morning, students. Yes, in yesterday's video I have discussed the scene 1 of my elder brother, right? So today we will learn the scene 2, what is happening. Yesterday we have already saw that Munna and Bhaiya are two brothers, and Bhaiya is the elder brother and Munna is the younger brother. While Bhaiya is very much good in study and he likes to study always. Munna likes to play all the time, and he is asking his brother how can he sit all couple of hours with studying only one book. And Bhaiya is very much angry on Munna that Munna is always playing and playing. So he did a timetable for Munna, and the timetable is full of study, and he did not give Munna any time to play, and Munna is now unhappy by that he has no play time and he wants to go to home. And so Munna is crying, and he is saying that I want to play. When I go in the play field, I go in the playground, I forget everything. I like play as much as you like study, as much as Bhaiya likes to study. Okay, now we are moving on to the scene 2, and let's see what is happening. The final exams are over and the results are out. So the Munna and Bhaiya's final exams are over and the result is already out. Bhaiya: alas, I have failed once again. Munna: oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. So now what is happening, let's see. Bhaiya is very much good in study. He always study. Okay, but now in this class he failed. Okay, he couldn't pass the examination. Whether Munna, who always plays, passed the examination, not only passed the examination but topped in the class. Okay, he ranked first in the class. So now Munna is very happy, and he says that, oh, we have now 2 years only difference between us. We have already said that Bhaiya is 3 years older than Munna, but here as he failed, Munna and Bhaiya have two class difference between them. Bhaiya: but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Once in a while in Gildanda game, you might get lucky and hit a goal, but that does not mean you have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiners will not spare you. They want you learn word by word from the textbooks. So what the Bhaiya is saying, now Bhaiya is very depressed, like he is now failed. So he said that, don't be so proud, Munna. You have only passed one examination. You have not cleared all the examination. When you go big, when you become older as me, you will have to do geometry, algebra. These are kind of math thing. Okay, algebra and geometry are math thing. Okay, when you are in higher class, you will learn what is algebra and what is geometry. So geometry and algebra is very hard to do in math. Okay, so here Bhaiya is saying that when you have to do geometry and algebra, you will find how hard it is. In a gulli danda game, there is gulli danda game. Okay, we all know the gulti and we pass the stone. Okay, the gulli danda game, if one is passed, if one hit the target properly, it does not mean that he is good in that. He is in, just like Nasruddin. You have all read Nasruddin's aim. Okay, so just like that. Okay, it's not good. So Bhaiya is rebuking Munna that you are not good in study. Though you have passed one examination, it does not mean that you have passed all the examinations. Munna: oh Bhai Saheb, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to 9th class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I got no punishment in the class. So what is Munna saying? Munna is saying, don't scare me Bhaiya, I am already scared. Okay, don't scare me with all geometry and algebra. Okay, I have to do my homework and I will do it so that my teacher will not scold me. Bhaiya, just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's all so mixed up. So now Bhaiya is very confused. In Bhaiya's class, he has given the homework to write about punctuality. What is punctuality? Punctuality means be on time. Do your homework on time, early to bed and early to rise, then do your play on the time, they do your study on the time, do your dinner, lunch at that on proper time. This is punctuality. Be on time. Okay. So Bhaiya has given the homework to write about punctuality in his class, but he is so messed up with all the things and he have already failed, so he is very messed up and he cannot write it. Munna, thinking aloud, thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone and on and on. Now in the scene 2 we have nothing to do so much. In scene 3 the results were out once again, and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentle with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. So what is happening? Another exam has passed, another exam has gone, and now the results are out and Bhaiya has failed again. But Munna, who plays all the time, have passed. Munna, talking aloud, I am lucky. I can pass easily. I need not study so hard. Now I can pass playing games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. So Munna is very happy, but he is also unhappy that his Bhaiya failed again. But he is now happy from inside and says that I want to play, I want to fly kites now, I want to go to playground now. But if Bhaiya sees me playing, he will kill me. So be hidden from Bhaiya. One day a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly he comes face to face with Bhaiya. So one day the kite is falling and Munna is running to catch it. Okay, now he comes face to face with Bhaiya. Bhaiya, catching hold of Munna's hand, are not you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? Don't you realize that now you are in 8th class and you are not studying in a lower class? If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and cannot say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be. Understanding does not come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Munna, really Bhaiya, is that true? So now Bhaiya comes face to face with Munna and Munna is very afraid that what is Bhaiya saying? Bhaiya is scolding him and scolding him. Don't you play all the time? Why are you playing all the time? You have passed. That does not mean that you are very good in study. You are just one class behind of me. That does not mean that you have passed and cleared all the examinations. Okay, so Munna is saying, now Bhaiya is explaining that always study and always playing does not keep gather experiences, right? Look at Ma Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has passed only the class 5. Munna is very much shocked. Is that really so? Really, Baba is not more than 5th class? Bhaiya, yes, there are 1,000 things that they know more than you or me. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Now, what would you do if I were fall sick today? So what the Bhaiya is saying that not only study and playing gather experiences, right? Experience could be gathered from different areas of life, not only by studying. Okay, his ma is not very much educated, but his ma has the right to scold him, right? Has very much more experiences than than these two brothers have. Okay, Munna is saying, now Bhaiya is saying that if I fall sick today, what will you do, Munna? Munna saying, I don't know Bhaiya. I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hostel. Bhaiya, aha, I had expected this answer. So what is Munna saying? That I will call my Baba and he will rush to hostel. And I can't do anything. Bhaiya, aha, I had expected this answer. I have already expected this answer. Bhaiya is saying. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. So if you are calling your baba, that means your baba has very much more experiences than we have, right? Our mother and father, our ma baba has more experiences than we have. Whether they are educated or not, it does not matter. They are very much older than us, and that's why they have very much experiences than us. Okay, so that is why baba knows more than us, that what to do with the doctor and what not. That is why we are calling our father or mother when we fall asleep in a outside of our home. Munna, with tears in his eyes, Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. Bhaiya hugs Munna lovingly. So Munna is now accepting his mistake, that it is not that I have passed the class and I have gathered all the experience. It is all about experiences of life, right? So Bhaiya, I also like to play and fly kites, but if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibility. Munna, I love you Bhaiya. So what the Bhaiya is saying, that I am older than you, I have responsibilities for you, you are with me, you are my first responsibility. I also like to fly kites, I also like to play on the grounds, but if I always play, so how can I look out for you, how can I look after you? Ma Baba has given me the responsibility to look out for you, look to you, and it is my responsibility that I always look after you and take care of you, right? So Munna is now accepting his fault, that no, if I am passed my class, I have passed my class, it does not mean that I am very much older than my bhaiya. My elder brother is always my elder brother and will always be my elder brother, whether he and I are in the same class. Okay, so that's the story. It's a very wonderful story. Read it carefully and try to understand it very much carefully. Okay, so it is very day-to-day story. It happens in our life always. Okay, so keep reading it. I will provide the worksheet of you from my elder brother, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.